As a society, we have grown past the use of blackface. For those who don't know what blackface is generally when a white man or woman would paint their skin to look like an African American's. This was often used in stage acts that utilized racist stereotypes of African Americans. American society as a whole condemns the use of blackface. Then why do we think the use of Native American mascots is acceptable? Native American mascots perpetuate misleading and racist stereotypes, just like blackface. Yet many sports teams on both the school and professional level use these mascots, and even more people cheer and defend these teams. The most common argument for the use of these mascots is they supposedly honor or preserve Native American culture. It is not honoring or preserving when you use the stereotypes created by the culture that try to ethnically cleanse the other culture. Misrepresentation does not preserve Native American culture. The symbols often used in mascots hold important meaning to Native Americans. It would be like using the United States Constitution to write your grocery list. It belittles the true meaning of the symbol or object. If you don't believe me that mascots perpetuate racism against Native Americans, look at the Washington Redskins. While the mascot is not the most extreme visual representations, the name Redskins is a dictionary-defined slur. The term originally came from when the U.S. government in the past would call for the bloody scalps of Native Americans. It is a slur. Slurs do not honor anyone or anything. Native American mascots need to go. They do not honor, they perpetuate stereotypes that are harmful to Native Americans. Think if it was your culture being misrepresented and racist stereotypes were being used to make money off your culture.